Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. I've actually got 3 of them here inside my showroom, all in a line with different equipment and color options. But this particular one here has got a 300 horse Mercury Verado in white, as well as the sea deck throughout and the dune interior option. Great combination. Also the exterior is a color we don't get very often. It's a horizon color. It's kind of a bluish gray. You'll have to take a look at the photos because I can't really get it on the sides of it here, as you can see. But let's take a quick walk through. The back on our sun lounger, got lots of cup holder options, as well as a USB charging port there. At our entrance, we've got a freshwater wash down. Rinse the sand off your feet while you're getting on and off. Side step flips out for boarding on and off the dock. You've got courtesy lighting all around throughout the seats, as well as a removable table that mounts in at the bracket right there. Big lounge style areas on both sides of the boat. Your front cushions are reversible, so while you're underway you can face forward. While you're parked up at the beach or the dock, you can flip them around backwards and create a big lounge area. This one comes with the optional hardtop tower that also has a line mount up top, so you can use it for wakeboarding. Easily folds down as well. And then we've got our secondary pylon off the back if you wanted to get your line down a little lower to use it for skiing or tubing. Up at the helm, we've got our Fusion radio, waterproof setup, as well as a 9-inch Simrad chart plotter that also doubles as your engine management system, tells you your tilt, trim, fuel consumption, all that. And also all the options you'd expect from Simrad as far as bottom finder. On the port side, we've got a very nice size head in here with freshwater sink. Finally, in true sun deck fashion, we've got a big squared off nose here without losing your deep V on the bottom of the hull for ride, and plenty of seating for up to 6 people. 2 sun loungers, and even flip down armrests, and another table that mounts up here, as well as speakers and a ladder up front for boarding on and off the bow. Great all around boat. Good running out in the Gulf because of your deep V, but still have a lot of seating for anybody that we can bring with. This boat is a yacht rated capacity as well, so get all your friends and family together and enjoy a day out on the sandbar. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call, text, or email anytime.